right, I am sitting here with Rayelyn, and Rayelyn has been a patient of Dr. Henagan since 1992, and she recently found out that she and her family are going to be moving to the San Antonio area for work. So I decided to speak with Rayelyn to find out a few things since she's been a patient of ours. Just, I guess, number one, Rayelyn, what's been your experience with Dr. Henagan's office for the past 25 years?
Well, it's interesting. I lived in his hometown before we became his patient, and his brother referred me to him because I went to church with him. And so when he found out I was coming to New Iberia, Lawrence said, "Go see Donald for your dental work." And what's so funny is I had a horrible fear of dentists before I came to see Doc. And so one of the things that stuck out in my mind the most was it was like coming to family to see Doc because I knew Lawrence and Della so well. And one of the things he did for me was calm my fears, my irrational fear about dentists. And I think the thing that me and my family can say most about Doc is he has never once hurt us. Never once have I ever walked out of this office and been in pain. Awesome. And for someone that had such a fear of seeing a dentist, I think that's one of the greatest things I can recommend about him is he's the only dentist my children have ever seen. My oldest son now lives in Hawaii, and before he went, one of the things he says, I need to get Doc to do everything to me before I go because I don't want to go over there and see some stranger, because Doc is not a stranger to us. This office is not a stranger to us. They are like our family. We've been here 25 years with him. And I have had multiple things done in my mouth. I have probably had 5 splints. Of those splints, 2 the dog ate. You know, so I've spent a lot of time here in this office, and coming here is like coming to see friends. And I think I'm not alone in saying that about people here in this office.
Well, that's definitely an awesome compliment, and I just learned a few things that I didn't know. If you had the opportunity to refer us to a family member or a friend, what would be something that you would say, other than, I guess, you just mentioned that that comfort was and anxiety were big issues for you, and that you feel like your comfort has been met.
It's interesting, just a couple of weeks ago, I was telling somebody they needed to come see Doc. They were looking for a dentist. So it's something I do quite frequently is tell people about Doc. So one of the things that I think people get here, besides jam up fine dental care, is they become a part of what y'all do here. And it's about taking care of the whole person, not just taking care of their mouth. And I think that's what makes Doc's practice unique, is because I've had a lot of things happen in my life over 25 years, and I've received cards from this office about those things that have happened in my life. And those things have meant the world to me, you know, and that's what makes this more than just a dental practice. It makes it a practice that cares about the whole person. And you don't find that very much these days. And that's important to a person. You know, it's more than just taking care of the mouth. It's taking care of the people. It's taking care of their families. And that's what makes Henagan Team Dentistry different than other places. And I appreciate that so very much.
Well, thank you. Those are all wonderful compliments. We appreciate that. And that is a part of our, that is not a part, that is what we strive for. That is our goal, to take care of our patients and for them to become family members. And that's how we look at it. So we do appreciate that. We do know that you're going to be looking for a dentist in your new hometown, because unfortunately you won't be able to travel back and forth to do that.
But you know what's interesting is Doc knows a dentist in Austin who he is going to call to find out if he knows of someone in the San Antonio area.
Awesome.
So even though I won't have Doc, he's still taking care of me and my family.
That's awesome. That's great. So we're going to miss you. We're going to miss you terribly, but we really appreciate the wonderful things that you have to say, and most of all, we're going to miss just taking care of you. And we do pray that you find someone, and I know that there is someone to take care of you and just to take the baton from Doc and continue to take care of your oral health.
I will miss y'all too. It's been a great 25 years, and even though we have to go, we'll still always be a part of this place.
And if ever the New Iberia is home again, we are still here.
Yes, very much so. Thank you.
Thank you, Ray.